Hi folks, I realized that I did not show you how to do regression on StatKey, which is something you're going to need to do for the homework. So I'm just going to show you that now. You're going to go to the Descriptive Statistics and Graphs portion and click on two quantitative variables because that's what we have when we're doing simple linear regression. And for the homework, I believe that all the data sets that are asked about should be in this dropdown. So there's something that has to do with carbon dioxide. I think it's the 2015 data. So you'd just click here and then it would give you a bunch of information. My example that I've been using with the rail trails is not one of these, so I need to upload some data here in order for us to do the same thing we've done in the slides. So I'm going to do that now. Again, you shouldn't need to do this, but I am trying to predict the volume. Oops, not that one. I'm trying to predict the volume based on the average temperature. So average temperature should be my X and volume should be my Y. Okay. And then this should be the exact same graph that we've been seeing before. So we can see all of the points. If we click the checkbox, we can see the regression line, and that will help us figure out our predictions. And then all of the information is available on here. So the slope says 4.8, just like we saw before, intercept 99.6. And so you should be able to get everything you need.